Hey everyone, welcome back to your weekly brain snack brought to you by the Quantum Healing Show, where we're all about getting to the root cause and not chasing your symptoms. As you know, each week we introduce you to a new topic. This week's topic is the hypothalamus. So why the hypothalamus? Well, health truly begins with your hypothalamus. It is another one of those foundational pathways that has to be operating in order for us to have our greatest potential for healing and for health. So let's discuss the hypothalamus. A couple things I want to go through. First off, when the hypothalamus is deregulated, it affects your master gland, called your pituitary gland, and impacts all other pathways from that one there. That means liver, thyroid, pituitary gland. It's all impacted when you have a deregulated hypothalamus. Now, when you have a regulated hypothalamus, then we have the greatest potential for healing because our pituitary gland, our adrenal glands, our liver, our thyroids, all of these other glands and systems are receiving the correct message from above, the hypothalamus. Now, the hypothalamus, most importantly, as I say, is a foundational aspect of healing. It has to be regulated in order for us to move forward with your health. Other things it's responsible for: appetite, sex drive, how you respond emotionally, regulating your hormones. So as you can see, the hypothalamus is extremely important, a foundational player in healing, and it has to be regulated. With that said, please hit the like button, please hit the notification button, please hit the subscribe button if you like this kind of education so we can get more of it out to you. Once again, guys, this is your weekly brain snack brought to you by the Quantum Healing Show, where we're all about the root cause and not chasing your symptoms. Have yourself a wonderful day, and we'll see you next week.